look what we have here. This is a 1988 Jeep Comanche Pioneer 4x4 with the 4-liter inline 6-cylinder. As you can see, the truck has been sitting for quite some time. It's just covered in mold, and the door jambs, hood, bed liner, bed, bumpers, just filled and infested with wasps. And we'll show you that briefly. There's one right there, just flew out. Probably can't see it through the camera. But overall, the truck is in solid condition, and it is obviously very dirty. It's covered in mold. It's got some trim that's coming off. You can see right here. And this trim piece here is off, but it's inside intact. But the truck is solid. It doesn't have any rot on the body. So far, it doesn't even appear to have any in-depth rust, just some scratches that have rusted that we can get cleaned up there. Got your racks on the back. Does have brand new Goodyear tires, Eagle RSAs I believe, but they are just ruined because of the flat spots from sitting so long. Yeah, the treads are brand new on the tires, as you can see. I mean, just look how treaded those tires are. They're brand new tires, obviously. It's a shame that they have the flat spots, but let's take a peek inside. It isn't automatic, but one thing I do like, and this is going to be something of benefit because you don't have the problems of the electrical stuff, is the gauges. It's not an electric odometer. It's currently sitting at 148, 125 right now. And interior's a little bit dirty, but overall it's in good shape. It does have manual mirrors and manual windows, so you don't have to worry about the notorious Jeep electrical issues with that. The headliner has been tacked up, but the rest of the interior, like the seats, overall they're in pretty solid condition considering what this was used for. This was used as a work truck. And looking at the wheel is in decent shape as well. Battery is, at the current moment, dead. Aftermarket Kenwood radio. The dashboard is solid and in good shape. Not going to pop the hood right now, not until we get some wasp killer, because there are many nests under there. What I will do though is show you guys a quick peek underneath here. And if you're any type of a car guy or just know anything about these Jeeps, you'll know that the underbody on these things just tends to rust out and rot like crazy. But this one is solid, and you can see that right there is not rotted or solid. It's just a little surface rusted, but the frame is just absolutely solid. This will clean up really nice. There might be some wasps in there, I'm not sure. Actually, surprisingly, no. That's one little crevice that wasps aren't dwelling. I think there's a lot of them in there though. So this is just a quick little video. I will be back after we get some wasp killer and include that in this video as well, de-wasping the truck. And there's going to be some more content on this one to come in the future with getting it cleaned up, showing you the before right now, and then of course the after when it's cleaned up. Probably going to take those racks off because those are just kind of ugly. But there you go, guys. Be back in a flash.
So this right here, it's not turning because there's a bolt on the bottom. I have to put a wrench on the bottom so that it won't turn. But as you open this up and you see, we got some little friends. Little friends down there. It's not, if you don't see it because you're not down there. Now you see your little friends.
Oh wow.
That's your little friends.
That's what I was talking about. This thing is full of them, and they're like that here, and then under the hood.
Now,
He punched one when we opened the hood to start it, and they flew away.
And let's see if this right here is the same way. There's this one. This one is going to come out. So this one also is probably, woo, this is turning, but it's down here. Look at that one. Has that one got a, look how giant that is. Has that got any residence in that one?
I don't know if that one's alive or not, but it's pretty massive. I know that.
Let's see if this one works. These two front ones
Tailgate
are
folds
coming
right
off.
here. Are they?
Our little friends.
You got about that much in there.
I only have a little bit, but you know what? If they come and they sting me, they're gonna die. Woo! Because remember, we are, what do you call that? I don't know what you call it. It's the top of the food chain. Yeah, that's right. See these
Hold
right
up, hold up.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, he's starting to fly out. Look at him.
Yeah. You can come out of that. He can come out all he wants. See, I don't even have any of this stuff. This is probably so
dead.
full, I'm gonna
The whole bed is probably lined with them.
Where's my
Because
socket?
there's openings in
Watch
all
this.
of the bed.
What's the size of this one?
Whoa, there's one back in there.
There's one. Woo! There's one right there. There's one right there.
He just flew away. There's one back in there further too.
Is there?
Smaller nest with one still on it.
Where?
Way in there.
There you go. Say hello to my little Freon. And that one right there's another one back there. So,
Wow.
anyhow, this one right here.
I wonder if the whole rail is full of them.
Here's another thing here. Look at this. There's another giant nest that's knocked out. Probably is. I wonder what it's like underneath here. Oh, that looks clean.
Oh yeah, it looks solid under there. Do you want to take it over to the storage?
Yes.
And then we can just leave it there for now, and then go back another day, like you said.
Okay, but
and
I'm
then...
not sure if it'll fit in storage with this. This is why I have to take the rack off. Understand, man?
Yeah, I got your point.
We'll drive it over there. If you got a hammer, a sledgehammer, I'll bust the hell out of it. Or
Bringing out the heavy artillery, boys.
So you're. I said that. I didn't mean I want to hit it
You
and
bend the
hell
whole
out of
freaking
this.
body, just
Okay?
like boom.
I'll set up BMW because long after that BMW is gone, this Jeep Comanche will still be down the road.
This right here is worth like
88.
easily twice, maybe almost 3 times as much as the Z3. And
There you go. So
break it. Oh yeah, look at that.
that's it. See?
And what you could,
Easy peasy.
truth is, you could probably throw this in the bed of my truck since mine has a wider, bigger bed. All right, those ones are already done up front, right?
We're done up front.
Perfect. Undone, 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 undone.
Safety first. Put it in neutral, and I'll push her. Neutral. Push. I'm pushing. I want to get it so it goes off on the grass, you know? Yeah, alright. That's good. Good. That side of it. Boom. Lift it. Come this way. 3, 2, 1. Watch the windows, watch front, everything. I'll just pull hard. Lift, lift.
Look at this, guys. Wow. Looks good. Looking really good. Got the cables hooked up. We're gonna fire it up. Go ahead. Chirping coming from the AC compressor.
Okay, you hear that squeak there? An old trick. Usually if you have, you can put some spick and span on the line, it'll stop the squeak. I'm gonna shut it off, ain't gonna turn back on. Because you can't put it on while it's on, it'll blow all over the place.
Right. Yep.
So I'll shut it off and then I'll put it on.
And that's a very good old trick that my dad has taught me about, is that if you put the comment on there, that just takes away those squeaks. I've never had a belt squeaking where I put that on and it didn't stop the belt squeak. I've never had it not work.
Not sure exactly where it is coming from.
Sounds like it's coming from the AC compressor. Let's hook her up again. Squeak be gone, boys. That worked, see? What would we do on the channel without Dad? Dad, the car guy. Yeah. Knows all the old tricks. I'm gonna unhook it now. Gonna unhook these cables. Wind those cables up, let's get on the road. We are back. A couple years ago, that's where Bill the 95 Astro was. Now we've got one 2 spaces over for the Comanche here. And got it tucked away in a storage unit for now. It's not gonna be here too terribly long. But just to kind of get it out of the way and give us some space here, and we're going to take it out and get it cleaned up. But that right there is the 1988 Jeep Comanche Pioneer 4x4 4-liter inline 6-cylinder. Solid little truck here, and can't wait to get this one cleaned up and show it to you guys when it's cleaned and in its former glory. I will see you guys in the next one.